Ate, ano yan? Ibenta ako dyan. Sa kanya? Ha?
nervous about it. And I was a bit shy. These girls were calling me athlete because it would show my age. But now that I'm very, very proud of it because they look up to me. And they look up to me and share their beautiful stories. And this is one thing I'm doing.
Tim and Gabby. Thank you, Jeannie. What an absolutely stunning display of beauty and confidence. What can you say about this competition?
All I can say is, woo! It made me so happy.
I have to say it's very nice to be answering questions and knowing that it's not scored. So I'm definitely loving that part of this competition.
Girl, I can definitely relate to that. And it wasn't too long ago I was giving up my crown too. And I have to say, you have done an amazing job with your reign. Watching your journey, I think we can all agree, has been so fun.
So much. You know, it's really the value of hard work and knowing why you're here, what is your purpose. Because to compete for the crown, it's not easy. It's not all rainbows and butterflies. There are a lot of ups and downs, good, bad, ugly. But if you divert back into why you are here, then you can do it. That's the beauty. Created with so much love, compassion, celebration, and just being in a room full of people that are proud to be Pinoy. I know I didn't bring home the 5th crown, but I just hope that I made all of you proud, and I felt that.
Definitely. With that said, and you hear everybody here in the room, are you aware of how much influence you have on people?
This incredible moment together, it feels like we've achieved something truly special. This year is when I embraced my authentic self. I stopped trying to conform and started focusing on what it truly means to be Miss Universe Philippines. And to become that was a responsibility I didn't take lightly. Its success is not mine to celebrate alone though. To my family, my mom, my dad, my mamita, and to my siblings who have inspired me more in ways than I can.
about how you have inspired another woman.
You know, I've been told many times that I am too short to join a beauty pageant. But now I realize that pageants are a representation, a reflection of that very nation. And tonight, I am not only representing myself, but every Filipino woman who sees themselves in me. I hope to inspire every Filipina that just like the universe, we too...
Bulacan! And our first runner-up is Kainta.